Good students, today I am going to teach you about from application of linear equations given questions. A question is very important which is related to application of linear equation, which is very important question related with linear equation. Today we solve it. Here, a boy travels a distance 25 km in 4 hours. A boy travels a distance of 25 km in 4 hours in a 4 hours, partly on foot at the speed of 3.5 km. By foot, partly on foot at the speed of 3.5 km per hour. After this, partly on cycle, by cycle at 9 km per hour, and remains distance covered by bicycle in 9 km per hour. So how many time taken in remaining distance in 9 km per hour? Find the distance on foot. Find the distance on foot. Here 25 distance, a boy covered a distance 25 km, taken time 4 hour, taken time 4 hour. Covered distance 25 km. Here for this solution, A to B, total distance 25 km. A boy covered 25 km distance in time taken 4 hours. Time taken 4 hours. This is the distance. Total distance covered in 4 hours by boy. But in this case, boy some distance covered by foot on foot and some distance covered by a cycle. How many time taken by covered distance in time, covered distance, how many time taken, covered distance of 25 km distance, how many time taken by foot, and remains distance covered, how many time taken in remains distance covered by cycle. Two cases. Here let the covered distance, on foot, covered distance on foot be x kilometer and time taken let t1, but on foot the speed 3.5 kilometer. The speed on foot is equal to 3.5 kilometer per hour given. This is given point. Here distance, time taken, here speed is speed on foot by the boy is equal to 3.5 kilometer per hour, and taken distance let x kilometer. Then we can determine the time by this. Speed is given and distance given, then we can determine time. Here you know that speed, here time is equal to distance Vx divided by time, time t1 is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed 3.5 kilometer per hour. Here the unit of t1 is equal to hour. The unit of time is equal to hour. Here you know that speed is equal to distance by time. By this method we can, here time is equal to distance by 3.5. Here speed is given. Here equation number 1. After this remains distance covered by cycle is equal to 25 minus kilometer. Cycle, then speed of cycle is equal to speed of cycle is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Given distance covered by cycle is equal to 25 minus x kilometer, and the speed of cycle is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Let the speed of, similarly let the time be t2, then t2 is equal to distance 25 minus x divided by speed is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Given 9 kilometer per hour. Here equation number 2. Then total time taken 25 kilometer distance, covered distance by boy, taken total time 4 hours. Then total time is equal to total time T1 plus T2. Total time T1 plus T2 is equal to here T1 x by 3.5 hour plus 25 minus x by 9 hour. This is time, the unit of time is equal to here hour. Then total time T1 plus T2, T1 plus T2 is equal to 4. Here 4 is equal to x by 3.5 plus 25 minus x divided by 9. Okay student, here now solve. Solve here, we can write x upon 3.5 plus 25 minus x divided by 9 is equal to 4. Can write here point removed from here, then we can write 10 by 35x plus 25 minus x by 9 is equal to 4. Here we can cancel both 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja. Then here 2x by 7 plus 25 minus x by 9 is equal to 4. So, okay students, here both by LCM methods. Here we solve 18x plus here 7 into 25 minus x divided by 9 7 ja 63 is equal to 4. So, okay students, here 18x plus 100, 7 multiply in 25, 175 minus 7x. Here can write by 1 multiply in this. Here then multiply 63 in 4, we get 252. Okay student, 252. Here 18 minus x we get 11x, and here 252, 175 transfer from this side, 175 transfer from this side to this side, we get minus 175. So, okay student, then here 11x is equal to, subtract 252 minus 175, we get 77. So, okay student, here x is equal to 77 by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 7 ja. X is equal to 7 kilometer covered distance by a boy on foot. X is equal to 7 kilometer. Answer. So, okay student, this is a very important questions you must solve in your notebook. Clearly, near about 1 or 2 times you solve. तो ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आई will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.